Begin by introducing the dish and its rich, creamy history in coastal cuisine. Highlight the fresh ingredients that will be used to prepare this hearty soup. Display all the required ingredients on a table: clams, onions, celery, bacon, flour, chicken broth, potatoes, salt, pepper, thyme, heavy cream, parsley, and butter. Move on to the preparation. Start by chopping onions and celery into small, even pieces to ensure they cook evenly. In a hot pan, fry the bacon until it's perfectly crispy, then remove it to drain on a paper towel, leaving the bacon fat in the pan. Next, add the chopped onions and celery to the bacon fat, sautéing until they are soft and fragrant. Lightly sprinkle flour over the vegetables, stirring thoroughly to create a roux as the base for the chowder. Pour chicken broth into the pot, stirring continuously to prevent lumps from forming, then add diced potatoes to the mixture. Season the chowder with salt, pepper, and thyme, ensuring the flavors are well dispersed. Allow the potatoes to simmer in the broth until tender and easily pierced with a fork. Once the potatoes are cooked, add the clams along with their juice for an added burst of flavor. Slowly pour in the heavy cream, stirring to combine until the chowder is rich and creamy. Let the chowder simmer on low heat, allowing all the flavors to meld together. A cook should taste the chowder, adjusting the seasoning if necessary. Serve the chowder by ladling it into bowls, ready to comfort and satisfy. Garnish each bowl with freshly chopped parsley and bacon bits for an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal.